watching ReShoe, where I set out to restore, repurpose and rejuvenate all types of dress shoes. Stick around if you're interested. Hello everyone and welcome back to ReShoe. Today I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how to shine your shoes. As you can see, the subject of today's video is this pair of very dusty burgundy loafers that at the end of the video you will see will be transformed into a shiny pair of shoes that you can wear to any event that they are appropriate for. First, of course, we start by inserting the shoe trees in order to stretch the leather and make our working field easier. Then, because they are so dusty, we're going to be taking a horsehair brush and remove all the dust and debris that has been accumulated on the leather. This step is crucial because when applying polish and wax, you don't want to mix them with the residue that's left on the shoe, because then it's just going to create a gunky texture at the surface and it's gonna be very counterproductive. Now that the shoes are cleaned of any dust, we're gonna be using Saphir Medaille de Renovateur, which is a mink oil based conditioner designed to hydrate and nourish dried leathers such as this one. And you will see that after applying it and buffing it with a horsehair brush, after leaving it for 5 minutes, you will already start to see a pretty moderate shine. As I said, after waiting for 5 minutes so the Renovateur can properly penetrate the leather, you will now take the same horsehair brush that you used in the beginning and lightly buff the Renovateur in order to create a moderate shine. As always, all the products used in this video are gonna be linked in the description. Now it's time to bring some pigment back into the leather using Saphir Beaute du Cuir pigmented color cream in color 8 Bordeaux. This pigmented color cream not only helps bring color back into the leather, but it can also cover scratches and imperfections to the surface of the leather. Apply it using a fabric rag wrapped around your fingers. Make sure it's 100% cotton. You can use an old t-shirt cut up into pieces or an old bed sheet or whatever you can find. Again, after doing this step, take your horsehair brush and buff away. This will further the previous shine, and you will start seeing results, and it will prepare the shoes for the mirror shine. As you can see, the shoes are already looking better. You can stop here if you want to, but I like to take my shoes to the next level and apply a higher shine or even a mirror shine, which you will see right now. For the mirror shine, we're gonna be using Saphir Medaille de Pate de Luxe, which is a very good wax that has to be applied in conjunction with cold water. I used ice cubes for this in order to create a mirror shine. Keep in mind that you should only be applying this wax on the areas of the shoes that do not flex, such as the toe cap and the heel. But since this pair of shoes has a very soft heel, I'm not gonna be applying the wax to the heel. 1 or 2 coats of wax can be applied to the whole shoe in order to 1. Protect it from dust or debris, and 2. Give it a higher all-around shine. But on the toe cap, you should apply at least 6, 7 or 8 coats of wax before starting to buff with the cold water. If you want a more detailed video on how to do a mirror shine and how long it takes, because it does take quite a long time, I will be sure to follow it up. Just let me know in the comments. Now, a crucial step to this particular pair of shoes and to many others is leaving them overnight and continuing working on them the following day, which is exactly what I did here. This is because there's only so much you can achieve by shining the shoes in one sitting, and oftentimes it pays to wait overnight and continue working the following day. You will see much better results the next day, and it will help cure the frustration that we all face when trying to achieve a mirror shine on our shoes. This last segment of the video is filmed the following day, and it has not so great quality because it was filmed with another camera, but you can see the shine on the toes. This isn't a full mirror shine where you could see yourself and the room around you in the reflection. However, I chose not to because I just found these shoes to be quite informal, and I like the look of them this way better. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to subscribe, click on the notification bell so we can be updated whenever I post. Like the video, comment on it, and share it with your friends. I'll see you next time. Stay shiny.